Akure Magistrate Court on Tuesday revoked the bail granted a suspected killer of Fulani herdsman Ajayi Bayode on alleged pressure by the Ondo State government. Bayode, who was alleged to have killed one of the Fulani herdsmen who invaded his farmland in Arigidi, Akoko in Akoko Northwest local government area of the state, was granted bail due to his deteriorating health condition 4 days ago. The suspect was docked last week Thursday on one account charge of murder contrary to Section 3191 of the Criminal Code, Cap 37, Volume 1 of the laws of the state. Bayode was, however, granted bail so that he could treat himself in order to stand trial. Dissatisfied with the order of the court, the state government, through the office Attorney General and Commissioner of State, asked the court to revoke the bail earlier granted the suspects. When the case came up for hearing on Tuesday, a lawyer from the Ministry of Justice, Olubunmi Olatunji, said the court should reverse its earlier order granted to the suspected killer of the herdsmen on the ground that the court lacked jurisdiction to hear the case ab initio. Olatunji said the court should set aside its decision of the June 14 granting the respondent bail for want of jurisdiction in pursuant to Section 156 of the Administration of Criminal Justice. According to the counsel, the nature of the offense and the circumstances surrounding it possess great security challenges to the accused, the community, and the state at large. He said it is the High Court that has jurisdiction to hear cases that bordered on capital punishment if found guilty. But the counsel to the accused, Mr. Wale Omotosho, said he needed time to respond to the application made by the state government as he was served with the court process earlier in the day. In her ruling, the Chief Magistrate, Mrs. Victoria Bob Manuel, ordered the accused to be taken to the custody by the police. She, however, said accused should be transferred to the hospital so that he could get medical attention and that he should be taken to the prison custody thereafter. Bob Manuel said since our court did not have jurisdiction to hear the case, the counsel to the accused should seek bail for his clients at the High Court. Addressing journalists after the court, Omotosho said the court was forced to reverse herself because of the pressure from the government. He disclosed that the magistrate was forced to revoke the bail on Monday, which was a public holiday. According to Omotosho, who was a former chairman of the Akure branch of Nigeria Bar Association (NBA), the government came with an application to set aside the lawful order earlier granted by the court. In his words, he says, "This is subversion of justice. If a person has been given bail because of pathetic health condition and overnight the bail is revoked, the man is in jeopardy and may likely lose his life anytime from now. May God help us in this country. We are not sure if indeed the Fulani man was indeed dead. We don't know where the other Fulani herdsmen went to. We have not seen any corpse. I am not sure my client is being charged properly for the offense committed." Pressures from the government that it might be a danger to the society if being released. Hey, now wow. I can remember vividly, I don't know, it is in Port Harcourt, a cucumber farmer. It happened in Port Harcourt when the man went to go and call police. I think maybe it's either Osun or Port Harcourt. I can't really remember, but I remember that this incident happened when the farmer went to go and call police to come and see what the Fulani herdsmen did to his farm. And the police came and they saw the dissing, and they still saw the Fulani people there as well, right there in the front, in the presence of the police people, right there. They killed the farmer, and the excuse the police gave to us was that, oh, we didn't prepare. The man just came to call us to come and see what happened in his farm, how cows heads up his crops or his farm produce, and that was it. So they overpower the police. That was the excuse right there. Not that, and up to today we didn't hear that these Fulani men were arrested. Not at all. We didn't hear anything. The only thing the police told us that they didn't know because they didn't go with their weapons. They just went there to go and see what the man came to call them for, and that is it. And it has been happening everywhere. No, they don't get them arrested. Amotekun that is a security operatives or their personnel, yet they are not allowed to carry gun. But Fulani, I've never seen any army or policeman arrested the so-called Fulanis parading with AK-47. It is a known fact. But have they been arrested? They are allowed to do that. One of them is confessing now that the federal government bought all those things for them. Because where would they get that money? And a lot of narratives here and there. Oh, some big men, they are the ones own this cow. They are the ones, so they are the ones that are buying this thing for them. So why is it that the government cannot go after all those big men that are the owners of these cows? But you see what is happening. No single Fulani S-man has been arrested. But you can see how when there's a reprisal, they will arrest you that you are trying to defend yourself. It happened in Ogbomosho yesterday again. They arrested the people who were trying to defend themselves. Buhari at work. Fulani S-men had killed many farmers without any trial. You can see how Yorubas behave. This is the danger of not killing them in the jungle where they are operating, arresting criminals like this for prosecution that can't yield positive results. This one a drama, a call from Abuja will set him free. Oh, I think this one are turning it upside down. But I think reverse is the case. Yoruba don't enter one chance. North will never trust and vote Yoruba man into power, and nothing any Yoruba man will do or can do. The end of Yoruba noise is here and now. These are opinions of people concerning this incident that just happened. I'm just wondering how PDP wants to help out. You want to put another cleric side by side with Gumi or what? That is 2023 that this particular person is talking about. But it is what it is. So it is what it is. Where injustice is the order of the day, corruption is the order of the day, nepotism. Hey, those are the things happening now that this government has brought, and they have normalized it. That is a new normal now that we have. They will rub their back. But if we have criminals in the southern part of the country, forget it. The police will swing into action. You will hear it, that we swing into action. We cannot fold our hands and begin to see things deteriorate. But in the other side, they will pamper them, they will beg them, they will say that is just the way to go. So guys, let's hear your opinion in the comment section.